Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, 6:44 a.m. and it's time to eat my breakfast with cucumber and what's this? Umeboshi honey, umeboshi and squib, of course, my favorite. Fruits, coffee with collagen and green tea. I mix collagen here. Yan, don't skip your breakfast. Stay energetic. We need for work. Yan. Then after this shower, mag-workout tayo sa aking 3 kilos dumbbells. 3 kilos each dumbbells yan. Later. And some exercises for 10 minutes. Bye for now. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay Wife Life in Japan.